Welcome back, guys. So in the last video we saw that how can we just swap out two numbers by using out the third variable. So here we are gonna use the variable, I mean not the variable, right? Without the help of third variable we are going to use out the swapping of the numbers, right? So I have here two variables. Let's say a is equals to 10. I have another variable b equals to 20. Okay, and let's say I would be having here the logic as a plus b, okay, which would actually give me here 30, right? And for this I have another logic for b. Let's say a minus b, right? Okay, which should give me actually here 10, right? And okay, let's have it in the next one. Just, oh, just a sec. Okay, so it should give me here for b as equals to a minus b, right? Which should give me 10, right? Now if I'll go for a again, that is for a minus b, here is the logic part, which would be actually here 30 minus 10, that would be 20, right? See, we received the swapping of the two integers, right? Okay, so let's just try to print out our system dot a equals a. Okay, system dot, we have the b's value as b. Okay, let's save and try to run and try to get the response. Okay, so we already have here a, so we can just change out the value of a to a1. Let's just edit it quickly. A1, again a1, and again a1, and here as well, right? So a1 are enough updations. Let's try to get this. So we have earlier a1 as 10, but again we just got here 20, which is swiped out, and for B, we got 10, which is again swapped out, right? So by the help of without variable, we just solved out the program. I hope you guys liked it out. Thank you.